The Canon RP, who is it for? Before I get into trying to answer this question, let me know who you think the Canon RP is for in the comments below. If you would have asked me this question 6 months ago, I would have naively said no one, and that's just being honest. But last month, I was looking for a good entry-level camera to recommend to someone that is easy to use and easy to learn. Now, here was my thought process on trying to decide who I would recommend this camera to. What camera would I recommend to someone to use to create short form and long form content, and also photography for work, social media, or personally? Now, this camera would be a great starting point because, as we all know, gear acquisition syndrome kicks in with the first camera. It would have to be new and easy to use. It would be a camera that shoots in 1080p up to 60 frames per second, 24 frames per second is a must, and they don't care about 4K. It would be a camera they could grow into that will last a while, where they can start off with one lens and maybe grab another lens because they don't care about camera gear at all whatsoever. For now. Now, it would be a camera that could take great portraits because although Instagram is transitioning into a video first platform, they still love taking a great photo and sharing it on Instagram from time to time. It would be a camera that feels good in the hand, that is a great size and is not too heavy, and most importantly, inexpensive. If this sounds like a camera that you were looking for, then the Canon RP just might be the camera for you. If you're interested in video quality of the Canon RP, check out the video on top and check out the video at the bottom to see what it's like to vlog with the Canon RP. If they aren't there, choose the one that is, and the other one will be up shortly. Thanks for joining, and do me a favor, stay awesome.